Hello, everyone. This is Battery, a lithium BESS integration service provider. Today, I'd like to introduce you what batteries are used in small commercial and industrial facilities and telecom base stations. It has a standard 19-inch structure, which can not only save space, but also can replace the lead-acid battery. It consists of two 25.6V, 100 Ah modules in series connection, so the battery pack has 51.2V rated voltage, 100 Ah rated capacity, and 5.12 kWh power. It is obvious that the process of the module is outstanding. The module is composed of 8 3.2V, 100 Ah cells in series connection. The battery adopts CATL² aluminum shell cell. With unique and leading technology, CATL cell features high energy density, over 6,000 cycles of service life, and can work for more than 25 years. The battery used in the telecom base station is required to have good performance under low temperature and a wide working temperature range. Our battery has charging temperature of 0 degrees Celsius, 55 degrees Celsius, and discharging temperature of -20 degrees Celsius, 55 degrees Celsius, which can well adapt to the environment of the telecom base station and can reach maximum continuous charging current of 50 A. Here is the pre-pressed side plate, which can prevent the cell from swelling. The large area here is heating film. As we all know, lithium battery is very delicate, and its performance will be degraded when it encounters low temperatures. So we add a layer of heating film in the battery, which can heat the cell when the temperature drops in order to ensure the lithium battery's performance at low temperatures. This part is the brain of our battery management system, BMS, which can accurately and comprehensively monitor the operation status of the battery, intelligently manage and maintain each battery cell, prevent overcharge and over-discharge of the battery, and ensure the use safety of the battery. Take a look at the detailed process of this battery. This is the handle, which makes it convenient for installation. These are positive and negative pole ports, which can support capacity expansion by parallel connection. These small parts include internal wiring, screws. We only select high-quality raw materials to make sure the battery works longer in a good state. That's all for today's sharing. Do you have a better understanding of the energy storage battery used in telecom base stations and small commercial and industrial facilities? If you are interested in this battery, please consult sales@snutech.com or leave your email address in the comments section.